baking soda all over the house. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Baking soda everywhere. Don't ask me. So we got a full carpet clean. We got baking soda everywhere. Full house clean, really. Baking soda. Check it out. Baking soda all over the whole steps. Baking soda. I mean, what y'all think? You know? We're gonna be here for a while. Baking soda. See? Bathroom. Okay. Floor in here. Yeah. Yep. So you can see the haze there. Should have bought my dry ease scrubber, air scrubber. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. Final setup. I got the Mytee Vortex Lite. Got turbo. Whole solution line. Hardest part in here is gonna be finding the outlets. You know, the proper outlets to run my stuff. Run this one around. So I can scrape it over. Got some more solution line. I use my workhorse, but all that baking soda started to clog everything because it just mats up. Get this up. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna run hot water to just do the best we can. I got a little small hand vac. You see how thick that is? That's like snow. And the water will break it down. Water solid. That's all baking soda. So hot water. And we got an auto pump out. And auto fill. We're gonna dump this out as we go. So this is the first round. Tonight on a Friday. Sorry, on a Saturday night. Bedroom. Look. The monster still awaits. the last bit here. For the monster. But getting it up. Mytee Vortex Lite. You know. Auto pump. Auto fill, auto dump. So you just hot water rinsing the carpet. I put a little end cap solution down. I put a little at Bonnet Pro. My go-to is the Bonnet Pro Omegazyme. I put a little Bonnet Pro Omegazyme down. It's not really even a clean. I would consider this more of a restoration job. Like it's not really even a clean. Because I'm not trying to clean the carpet. What we're really trying to do is just get all the baking soda up off the carpet. You know, I think this is public housing. I don't even know if they even authorized to have carpet cleaning done. Not bad. We can do that. Get that up. And yeah, so that's where we at.